morning, guys. Hope everything is fine. In this video I will show you how this MT4ToNotion expert advisor works. So let me open it. Okay, so you see here all the features that this version has, and these are the configuration inputs. Okay, so the first one is the Notion database ID. This is the Notion platform, and inside this page, this is my database. This database has an ID to identify it from other database that maybe could be in this page. Okay, so this number here is the identifier or ID from this table. So once I open a trade, I update a trade, or I close a trade manually by take profit or stop loss, it will send the data to this database. And you see here we have ticket, name, instrument, status, type, volume, opening price and time, closing price and time, time elapsed, stop loss, take profit, swap, commission, profit, and overall profit. So this overall profit and time elapsed are formulas. Okay, so this overall profit will take out some part of the profit. So if you had commission of $7 per lot, if you put one lot, it will take that dollars out your profit. Okay, so if you had profit of I don't know, $10, you put one and the commission 7, your overall profit is $3. And if you have a swap of minus half of a dollar, so you will have a overall profit of $2.5. Okay, that's what this formula does. And the time lapse is just the rest of the opening time and the closing time. So if you open a trade at 9 a.m. and you close the trade at 9:05, the time lapse of that trade is 5 minutes. Okay, type, well, it can be buy or sell, long, short. The status could be open, it could be closed by TP, closed by stop loss, or close manually. Okay, and the additional configuration, save trade screenshot. So if you put this in true, it will save a screenshot when you open a trade or when the trade is closed by the three situation I mentioned before: close manually, by TP, or stop loss. If you put this in false, the screenshot will be saved in a folder inside the MT4 platform. I will show you now how to see it. But if you put it in true, you need to put your directory where you want to move your screenshot. For example, I have this one. You see here I have some screenshots. I will delete them all. Okay, so I don't have anything from today, and this is experimental. So when it open a trade, it will reproduce a sound saying trade opened or something like that. Okay, so everything is done now, and let's open a trade. Let's buy history and wait. As you can see here, we have the screenshot saved, and we have the information from this trade uploaded into my database. Okay, you see it's the same ticket as this one. Okay, so when I open a trade, or when a trade is open, it will upload just the ticket, the name, the instrument, the status, the type. You see here is buy, so it's long, the volume, the opening price, and the opening time. Everything else will be null. You see here it's null. Okay, so we don't have also take profit, my stop loss, so I will set my stop loss here, and I will put my take profit here. Okay, and you see the information is upload automatically. I don't have to do anything on here. I just have to move my stop loss and my take profit. Okay, so I will put in here, I'll put here, and once I change or I close this trade, or the trade closes itself by touching the take profit or stop loss, it will upload automatically here. It will when the trade is closed, just change the status, the closing price and time, and the swap commission and profit, because the operating profit calculates automatically as well when it see where this swap and commission and profit are not empty, it will calculate automatically the overall profit. The time elapsed as well, when if closing time is not null, it will do its calculations automatically. So let's wait. The price touch, take profit or stop loss. I will reduce my stop loss, and if you see here, it will change automatically. You see, if you see that this is not moving, or it takes a while to update, is because in every tick the program will search for a move from a update. So if price is static, it will not upload automatically. You need to wait for a candle to move, or a tick to move up or down, to the expert advisor upload the information into your database. So you see here the price touch my TP, so the status closing TP. Now we have the closing price, the closing time, the time elapsed is 3 minutes. So this trade was 3 minutes. The stop loss, take profit, okay, the swap, the commission, the overall profit, and if you see here, the commission, the profit, and the overall profit. So you see here, it will take out this amount from this one, and my overall profit is from 0.44. Okay, so if we go here, we have the before and we have the after. So let me open here. Oh my god. And we go here, so we have the after, the before, saved automatically. Well, so this is how this expert advisor functions. The next feature I will I will do from this is that when I move my stop loss and my take profit, save another screenshot or check if the stop loss and the take profit when I open a trade is 0. Don't take the screenshot, and take the screenshot when the stop loss and the take profit is or they are set. That's the reason you will have your your before with your lines of stop loss and take profit. So that's all, guys. See you the next video.